Hi guys, this is the organic lemon tree. I show you. Look, lot of lemon is there. Show many things you. This is the papaya tree, organic also. So I show something different. Lemon also. Small gardening home. This also lemon tree, and this organic guava. Look, organic jackfruit. This tree, this coconut, and another. I'll show you. This is I think so. Is top the rose tree, bird nesty. I think so. So this the crow is shouting. Bird need to save the baby. So when I coming nearest, they too much shouting. You see, this is the next tree. Fruit down, very nice and very big. Look, I touch this, and another also top. This organic jackfruit, very nice food and very healthy food. So I show another. This is ladyfinger, organic ladyfinger. Actually we see market, but we doesn't see sometimes how farmer is making this ladyfinger. And I show you ladyfinger. This is flower ladyfinger. This is the ladyfinger also. So we try in the house, any side, any corner, just few vegetable you do. This is lychee, small tree lychee. Next 2 years I think so is coming lychee. There is some, you guys know, this also organic vegetable. This is the chili tree gardening. The chili tree. I show you some grapefruit and organic. This is organic lemon also. I show you, very nice, very scent and very tasty. There is another tree nearest, very good size, good color. Inside, thousands of them. So very healthy and very tasteful and very good color. This is a jackfruit tree. Show you in front. This is the jackfruit tree, and I show now inside how fruit coming. এখন বাড়ি আঙ্গিনায় আপনারা যে জ্যাকফ্রুট বাড়ি আঙ্গিনায় আপনারা চাইলে জাম্বুরা গাছ করতে পারেন বা লেমন গাছ করতে পারেন। সুন্দর অর্গানিক ফলটা নিজেও খাইলেন, আপনার বাচ্চাদেরকেও খাওয়াইলেন। হাজারে হাজারে ফল আসে, আত্মীয় স্বজনকে দিতে পারলেন। Guys, one is a brinjal tree also. I show you. This is the black. I have another color, is white, like eggs. I show you. Actually already finished this tree. No, not finished. You are lucky, guys. I find one very small. I'll show you now. This is white eggs, brinjal, very nice. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends circle also. Thank you for very much. আর আপনাদেরকে সময় দেওয়ার জন্য আপনারা সময় দেওয়ার জন্য তো আপনাদেরকে আন্তরিকভাবে ধন্যবাদ। আমার চ্যানেলটা ভালো লাগলে এবং দেখে আনন্দ পেলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করবেন এবং বন্ধুদের সাথে শেয়ার করবেন। ধন্যবাদ। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।